Welcome back to another fantastic property tour, Rankin family. Today, we are located in Argyle, Texas, taking a look at another gorgeous luxury home, and this time we have a model by Toll Brothers. Now, starting on the exterior, family, we have a modern farmhouse. You have the board and batten siding, the painted white brick, and the stucco, and it looks fantastic. Now, you are going to have a 4-car garage here. Of course, this is a model home, but once they sell it off, they will construct the driveway. As we do continue, you have the water feature, the lush landscaping. You know Toll Brothers, they do a fantastic job of that. And then you have the covered front porch. Imagine hanging out here, enjoying your morning coffee, having a great time with the family, and then wait till we get to the backyard. You don't want to miss it. Now, nice and generous size covered front porch here. You see that you have the massive pivot door with the glass panes, but let's go ahead and get you inside. Okay, so a beautiful foyer immediately whenever you walk in. Gorgeous light fixture. You got your art light over here to the left, and of course the accent wall. Now over there to the right, they're using it as a sales office, but that would be your garage. And I'll show you the front door from the inside. Beautiful wallpaper on the ceiling as well. You folks are in for a treat. Now we'll work our way around the perimeter as we always do. Got a nice storage closet right there. You know, Toll Brothers, they love to add the glass panes in the doors. And then look at this. So you have the accent walls, beautiful light fixtures, built-in speakers. So the perfect guest suite. They would certainly enjoy this. Now, curated furniture throughout the entire property. You have a queen-size bed. You got your 2 nightstands, the engineered oak floors, and your ensuite. So this one has a generous size walk-in shower. You got your water closet over here. There's no doors on the hinges since this is a model. So I just want to let you know that before we continue. So you got your shower bench there, beautiful vanity, quartz counters, and a spacious walk-in closet. Gosh, we've been in at least at this point 40 to 45 model homes by Toll Brothers across the country. So you're more than welcome to go back through the catalog and see which one you like the best. Okay, so before we continue, staircase over here to the left. We'll see the second level momentarily. Beautiful pendant chandelier. You got your formal dining area here. A lot of volume. Beautiful accent wall. You see the sconces there at the windows with the grids inside. And it's overlooking a nice little courtyard area. Wonderful accent wall over here to the left. Look at these stacked stone, even extending to the ceiling here. And it really prepares you for what you're about to experience. Look at this. You have the clear story windows, soaring ceilings, 2-tiered wagon wheel chandelier. You see the same stacked stone, floor to ceiling for your fireplace around. You even see that board and batten siding accent wall here, keeping up with the theme of the modern farmhouse. And that linear fireplace is perfect. Look at all the natural light in the world. Lovely. Now, I want to show you this area first before we continue. So, you got your wet bar here. Of course, this is an upgrade. You may or may not need this, but we can all agree it looks wonderful. You got your beverage fridge down there, undermount sink, beautiful backsplash to really complement the rest of the house. Now here, got a nice little flex space or bonus room. You can use this as you please. If you want to use this as a media room, which a lot of folks would, you got your exposed beams. You see the shiplap ceiling again and the speakers. Nice little lounge here, just kind of tucked away. And then you can use it for whatever you choose to. Now for the guests, you got your powder bath here. You see they have the Taj Mahal quartzite really complementing the cabinetry, herringbone pattern floors, and that beautiful wallpaper. Outstanding. Okay, let's go ahead and transition to the kitchen. Partial overlay cabinetry here, beautiful pendant lights, massive island, cabinetry all along. And then you see that you have the waterfall edge and a farmhouse sink. Let me stand on this side and do a full pan for you. Impressive. Let's go ahead and open up some of these drawers for you. On the right of the sink, you have your Cove dishwasher. To the left, you have your trash drawer. And this would be your view. Beautiful, flows extremely well. Got your under cabinet lighting. I'll turn you around over here. Your Wolf range, 6 burners with the griddle, custom vent hood, stacked cabinetry, all along there as well. So Sub-Zero refrigerator, the best money can buy. Fully stocked up. And then you have your built-in Wolf microwave over here. Generous size walk-in pantry. You can extend the shelving all the way up to the ceiling if you prefer. Got your glass pane in the door. That'll lead you to the dining area. So this would be a coat closet if you come in from the courtyard. I'll show you that here. Look at that. Nice and spacious, which I love to see. Let me stand on this side for you. Give you the full scope. So a lot of neat features, as you can see. There's actually this exact plan, move-in ready, and it is listed for just under $2 million. So I just want to let you know that. Now heading to the laundry room, look at this, family. This is the dream. Folding counter here, quartz counters. You got your second refrigerator there. Stacked cabinets. Beautiful backsplash too. You got an undermount sink over there. Just really the perfect space to do your laundry. And more is starting to become common with the second refrigerator. A lot of folks have it out in the garage, but we can all agree it'd be nice to have it inside of the laundry room, or inside the house rather. Got your mudroom here. And this is your first 2-car garage. Remember, there's an additional 2-car garage because you have a total of a 4-car garage. So you can fit up to 4 vehicles in this particular floor plan inside of the garage. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. You got your breakfast nook over here, quick access door. Of course, you do have the sliders too if you didn't want to use this door. But look at that shiplap again. Really neat. Massive windows. Again, the curated decor. And then look at this wood beam here. Nice little trim to enhance the experience. Now heading here, you got your beautiful sconces. Over here to the left, look at your study. I love it. Got your French doors here, built-ins. You see the sconces again. We've seen the same or similar sconces rather throughout the entire home. Really just spruces up the space. But this will be the perfect office to work out of, get some work done. And then here is your primary bedroom. Absolutely stunning. Of course, that is a king size bed, but look at the size of this room. Soaring ceilings, you have the tray, beautiful chandelier at your exposed beams again. Look at the abundance of windows here overlooking the backyard. Now this is a brand new development, only a few homes so far in the community. So this is your opportunity, if you prefer, this area or this location to be some of, or at least amongst some of the first neighbors. Okay, so now heading to the ensuite, you would have the double doors here. You got marble counters, partial overlay custom cabinetry there. Again, dual entry walk-in shower, huge freestanding tub, his and her sinks. And then that's neat. Got a nice little built-in section here with some additional cabinetry. Got the huge picture window here. You can add the Roman shades. And let's take a look at the shower. Rain shower head. You got shower heads on both sides too, so the his and hers factor. Got your shower bench here. Plenty of seating available, and the shower niches. Now let me know what you think about the gold hardware with the sconces there. Do you like the way that flows? And of course, anything in here can be changed. You know, this is cosmetic things, so if it's something where you don't like something, you can certainly change it out with ease. Put your linen closet there. And look at the primary closet. All the built-ins in the world. Got your drawers here too. And it's from Closet Factory. Look at the size of this water closet here. All the room in the world there too. So you don't feel like the walls are closing in on you. Beautiful. So we still have a lot to cover, family. If you haven't, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. I truly appreciate it. Look at that. You can see the second level from the great room. Okay, so we'll get you right up here to see what the second level has to offer. I always love Toll Brothers, you know, they really just go above and beyond. I've said this previously, but every time we have the opportunity to see different models across states from Toll Brothers, I'm telling you, the continuity is present. Every single one is fabulous. Okay, so now you got your loft space right up here. Got that nice alabaster light fixture there. The windows, you can open those up too for the breath of fresh air. And let me show you the first level from here. Outstanding. So second powder bath here, quartz counters, beautiful accent wall, complementing the cabinetry. So here's your bedroom. This is a queen size bed. You still have the furniture that you need. Got your walk-in closet here. Nice and spacious. And then this is pretty cool. Got a little recessed area. You can add a desk there, the decor to spruce up the room too. And this one's going to be the tub shower combo. Got the outlets all along the second level too. And let me go ahead and show you this. Beautiful. Now we'll go across the catwalk here. Storage closet on this side, plenty of space. That door leads to the attic. Let me go ahead and show you that right now. So you got additional storage right there. All right, let's go across. We got two more bedrooms to take a look at it. So queen size bed again, two nightstands. And I just love when the music is playing even on the second level and some of the secondary bedrooms. It's really awesome. Ensuite here. They do have the shower bench, family. Love to see it. The wood look tile for your shower surround. And then here is your closet. All right, and our final bedroom. This one is decorated neatly, and you see every single room has its own little theme. Love it. Really love the way this color complements the gold fixtures. Hopefully the video does it justice, but that looks awesome. Beautiful. So that looks like we about covered the entire first level and second level, family. If you haven't, please let me know your thoughts in the comments. We'll get you to the backyard patio and to see what all they have to offer. Even if you go to the backyard patio and some of these Toll Brothers and you really just get the inspiration that you need, I'm telling you, once you're here in person, you really get to appreciate it and envision yourself being out here on a daily basis, spending time with your family. You won't regret it. Now, massive covered backyard patio, built-in speakers out here as well. Look at the room just here alone. Got that quick access door right there. And just look at this. Got the putting green over there. Yeah, a couple lounge spots. You can tan back here. All you need is a pool and you are good to go. Now, getting you right over here. Take a look at this. You got your fireballs right there. Double-sided fireplace. All the counter space in the world. You got your beverage fridge, your built-in grill. You even got the waterfall edge back here. Natural stone quartzite counters too. Wow, this is incredible. So you got the cedar right up here too. You see the cladding. And then you still even have some yard back here. Outstanding. But other than that, family, that was another beautiful luxury home tour. All right, folks, that was it for this beautiful luxury home by Toll Brothers right here in Argyle, Texas. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this gorgeous property. Is this something you can see yourself living in? Would you make any changes? And if so, let me know in the comments below. If you want more information about this home or any home we showcase, reach out to the information in the description. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss a tour every single week. And I'll see you folks on the next property tour.